Have you ever wondered what makes abstract art so captivating? What if I told you there are actually rules behind it? If you learn them, you know how to use them, how to bend them, and how to break them to make something that's uniquely yours. I'm Anna Berends van Loenen. I'm an artist, I'm a professional mess maker, and I've been exploring art in many different ways. I've been pushing boundaries and I've been teaching others to do the same, to embrace their creativity and to let it go of perfection. I'm so excited to bring you this course because making abstract art isn't just about making a mess, making chaos. It's about mastering it. I was once in your shoes. I was wondering, why is there one piece of art just standing out while others just don't? And I started the journey of figuring it out, looking at successful abstract artists, and found out there are actually some kind of rules or principles that they live by and they use in all works of art. Rules you can even use in figurative art, you can even use in photography. These rules are essential of making your abstract art come to life. Make your abstract art more appealing to others. The things that I found out, I just put them into rules and put them into this course for you. So in this course, we're going to start off with just looking at the rules. Because when you know the rules, you can bend the rules and you can break the rules. Then we're going to do some examples. I'm going to do some intuitive play and then show you how you can go from intuitive play to incorporating the rules and make some lovely pieces of art. And this course is for anyone. You could be a complete beginner, but you can also have some experience with making art or even abstract art. As a class project, you're going to make a piece of art that suits your art style, but incorporate with some rules to make your artwork more appealing. It doesn't matter what kind of tools you use, because it's about your artistic journey, it's about your end result, and it's about having fun. So I can wait to get started. I can wait to see you in the course. So come on, go on this adventure with me. And we're going to start.